Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Mercedes E-Class Bluetooth. First, ensure your car's ignition is on so you can access the infotainment system. Then, on your central display, navigate to the Phone menu. From there, you will select Connect Device or Bluetooth devices to begin the pairing process. This initial step is crucial for setting up a new connection. Next, grab your mobile phone and turn on its Bluetooth function, ensuring it's discoverable. Back in your E-Class, select the Search for Phone from Vehicle option. Your car will then scan for nearby devices. Once your phone's name appears on the vehicle's display, simply select it to proceed with the pairing. A pairing code, often a 6-digit number, will appear on both your phone and the car's display. Confirm that these codes match, then select Pair on your phone to finalize the connection. Once successfully paired, you can enjoy hands-free calling, stream your favorite music, and access contacts directly through your Mercedes E-Class infotainment system. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your phone and your car's infotainment system. Sometimes, simply toggling Bluetooth off and on again on your device can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, delete any previous pairings from both your phone and the car, then try connecting again from scratch. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.